science, religion, all out of control. In America, in New Hampshire, in Gilsum. No one was ready for a flash flood like this. Driveways destroyed. Post offices ravaged. Dams made. Asphalt collapsed. Drainage systems overwhelmed. Water making its own decisions. It took people by surprise. No one thought it could happen here. Favorite childhood places washed away. Roads became impassable. Dams broken through. Record high water. Sediment spread across the land like a new Mississippi Delta. Would we be able to deliver the medicine to Nome? Could we get Mom her order from the Thai place? Would we have the chance to fly rescue helicopters? Uncertainty loomed in the air. And then, without asking anyone for help, they started their sweet diesel-powered rigs. Despite the weather, despite their differences, and despite the Mayan calendar, these men, mostly in their middle age, knew just what to do. And they did it. They rebuilt the most incredible town in the United States of America. Please, do your part.